What's up, you guys? Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be our Ipsy versus Boxy showdown. First time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also make sure you are subscribed to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. So you guys, this is my second month doing an Ipsy versus Boxy showdown, show off, whatever. Now, let me just say, if Ipsy ain't hitting this month, okay, this is my absolute last month getting Ipsy. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. I've already put it on an every other month subscription just because I'm nosy and I have FOMO, fear of missing out, okay? And I'm like, I need to know what's in that box, but I'm never just highly impressed with Ipsy. So seriously, if this box is not hitting, I'm canceling. This will be the last month that I'll be doing Ipsy, but I will continue to get the Boxycharms, and I think I'm going to upgrade to Boxy Premium because y'all know I love Boxy so much. As always, Boxy and Boxycharm and the Ipsy bag link is down below in my description box if you guys are interested in signing up. You know I'm a huge Boxycharm fan, so they're always in the description box if you like what you see. I'm not affiliated with them. I'd love to be Boxycharm, but I'm not affiliated with them. I just really love the products. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to jump into the Boxycharm first. Now, let me tell you, this is not a fair comparison because this is the normal, regular Boxycharm. And then for the Ipsy, I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, okay? So it's not a fair comparison, but I just thought I would show you guys anyway since they came at the same time, all right? So I did already open the Boxycharm. I took a little peek in. I didn't really dive in, but I took a little peek. The Ipsy bag is still closed, so it'll be a surprise to both of us. So I'm just gonna start pulling things out and let's just see what's in there. Okay, so it has a little card with everything in it this month. This month, the theme is stellar, so I guess like out of this world stellar, and I'll tell you guys what the value of each product is. They also put a little sample in here of the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, so they do have that little sample in here. I've heard that Boxycharm is going to start dabbling with adding complexion products to your box. I don't know how that's going to work out, so I guess we'll just all have to see, but I'm just really skeptical on companies picking complexion products for me. So I don't know, we'll have to check it out. But the first thing I see in the box is this Dose of Colors. This is a liquid matte lipstick in the shade Nude Mood. I love Dose of Color liquid lipsticks, okay? They're amazing. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a pretty pinky nude, and let me see. This liquid matte lipstick, the actual price is $18. So you've already paid for most of the box right there. Boxycharm is they just went up to $25 a month. They used to be $21, but I mean, you got an $18 lipstick in there right off the bat, which damn near pays for the box. So let's do a little swatch here. There it is right there. A nice cute little pinky nude. I like that. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next thing I see is this little brush set right here. I love this little bag, but it's a two-piece Boxycharm brush set. Yeah, these are made by Boxycharm. Huh. They're definitely complexion brushes. Like, you could definitely use this for foundation and this for probably foundation or concealer. Let's see. This is the Boxycharm two-piece brush set. Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free, and the regular price is $35. So already we've made $28 on the box just by opening these two products. I cannot wait to dive into these either. These look so amazing. I can't wait to use these. Moving on, the next product I see is the Kypris, the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I think this brand is kind of expensive if I'm not mistaken. I want to say it's kind of expensive. This is a big jar here. So, oh my God, the regular price of this is $90. $90. This is an antioxidant dew, lavishes skin with quenching, encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Use as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. $90. Crazy. Oh my God, I'm liking this box so far because I'm definitely going to use this. I'm going to use the liquid lipstick and I'm definitely going to use the brushes. So everything is really coming in handy. Yeah. We have a set of lashes here. These are the Boxycharm and Lily lashes in the style CEO. And these, the regular price of these I think are 20 bucks. No, $25 for these Lily lashes right here. I really love the way Lily lashes feel and I love the way they wear. I just have an issue spending $25 on lashes, and the last like 3 or 4 pair that I've gotten have been through Boxycharm. So just keep that in mind. This is the price that you paid of your box right here. Just this one pair of lashes and you get 4 other products. Yeah. So there's one other product in the box and I was kind of excited about this one. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. This regular price is $35. I have not tried, you know what? Boxycharm had like a lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics in the Boxycharm one time like months ago, but that's the only product that I've ever tried from Dominique Cosmetics. So I'm really excited to try this eyeshadow palette. I've heard nothing but really good things and this is beautiful. Woo! That's pretty. So if you don't know, Dominique Cosmetics is, the owner is Kristen Dominique. She's a YouTuber here on YouTube and I'm not subscribed to her. I don't watch her, but I have heard plenty of things about her makeup line and so I'm just excited to give it a try. It's sold at Sephora, either Sephora or Ulta, but I think this palette is a strict Boxycharm exclusive if I'm not mistaken. I don't think you can get this anywhere but through a Boxycharm box. So I think that's pretty cool and I think these shades are just amazing. I keep opening it because these shades are really, really pretty. So I'm excited to use this in some kind of look. So the total price of that box was $203 and again I paid $25 for it. So that is why I love Boxycharm so much. I think that was such a dope box and I'm excited for next month already. Moving on, we have our Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I have not broken the seal on this baby yet. I'm going to do it right now with you guys because I want you to see my face. I haven't looked at any of the emails that they sent where you could see your box early. I ain't done none of that because I wanted to be surprised with you guys, okay? So, let's go. Alright, so I have it sitting on the side here. First thing you get is, oh, you get a little booklet. We did not get a booklet last month. I thought it was last month that I said I didn't get a booklet, but they gave us a whole little booklet here with all the different products in it. And it says Wild Side. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. Okay, we got a little booklet, got all the products. We're not gonna look at this yet. Let's go ahead and pull the stuff out. So the first thing you get, of course, with every Ipsy, you get a bag, which is awesome because I use these bags for real. This bag is nice. Look at the little pop-up. So this is a huge makeup bag. I mean, I could do some things with this. This would be so good for travel. It has a little handle on the top. It's leopard print, so it's so pretty. This would be so good to store your makeup in for travel, FYI. So yes, I'm loving this. This better not be the best thing in the box, but I am loving this bag right here. Oh yeah, she's a keeper. All right, so the first thing I pull out, this is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Rush palette, and it just looks like that. Let's get some scissors to open it. They gave me a Wander Beauty palette before, and I never even used it. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, it's pretty. I still probably won't use it, but it's pretty. I think I'll probably put this up on my Poshmark for like $5 or something if anyone wants it, because I just probably won't use it. I have enough palettes as it is, but it's cute. I mean, Wander Beauty doesn't really get me excited, so we'll see what else is out there. The next thing I pull out, so I heard about this. So Gigi Gorgeous, this is another YouTuber. She is a transgendered woman now, and so she has her own makeup line, and this is a blush duo. Let me see here. This I am interested in. So the packaging just looks like that. It says Gigi Gorgeous. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, she's cute. Yeah, she's really cute. I love that. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. All right, product number 3. Let's see what we have here. This is the Trestique. I never use any of their products. This is the Color and Contour Cheek Stick. Okay, in the shade Brazilian Bronze. That looks sufficiently dark enough. This I may use. Okay, Ipsy. And it has a brush inside. Let's see, let's see. Okay, Ipsy. I can get with this. Okay, okay. I ain't mad at it. Does it? Oh, and it has a little brush. I'm not mad at it, okay? That's 2 out of 3 products I'm okay with. Next, I see a makeup brush in here. It looks like just a little shader brush. It's called a concealer brush, and it's by the brand Bean something, child. But it just looks like this. I could always use brushes that look like this. Okay, the next product. This is the Laboratories Chlorane Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk. I don't use dry shampoo. Your girl does not use dry shampoo, so this one will go to waste. I feel like this is my problem with Ipsy bag. The Ipsy puts things in there that I don't use, and I don't know if it's necessarily their fault or if I don't know, but I don't use dry shampoo. So I have so many dry shampoo samples from Ipsy because I don't use dry shampoo, and they just go to waste, and that could have been another product, you know, that I could have gotten. So maybe that's my problem with Ipsy. I don't know. Here's a big one. Oh, Ipsy! This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. Now, if you guys know, it's not down here, but I have the, yes it is, the It Cosmetics, it's almost gone actually. This is the Confidence in a Gel Lotion, and I love this stuff. I also have the Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer, and I love that as well. So now I get to try the Confidence in a Gel, or in a cleanser. That's what it is. Confidence in a Cleanser. Yes! Okay, Ipsy! Okay, I see you! Ipsy gonna make me keep them on for another month. This is how they get me, okay? They gonna make me keep them on for another month, cause that's good. I like that. What's next? We have the BDB, the $1 Billion Brows Bestsellers Kit. And it looks like it has a brow pencil, a brow gel, a smudge brush, and then a concealer and a highlighter in there. I'm not going to open this because I might add this in like a giveaway or something. Yeah, I have so many brow products. I may add this in a giveaway or something. So you just never know. You know your girl's very close to 20K, okay? So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's keep going. This is, what is this? Bite Your Kiss. That's what it says on the package. Bite Your Kiss. This is the Smith & Cult Bite Your Kiss. What is it? Is it a nail polish? Yes, it's a nail polish. Oh, this is pretty. My girls would love this color. on their toes. I can use this with my kids. I don't necessarily want nail polishes because I go to the nail salon, but I'm okay with it. I don't mind it. I'm okay with it. Moving on. This video is gonna be so long, you guys. Juice Beauty. I used to use some of their products back in the day. This is their Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I haven't gotten into anti-wrinkle products yet. Maybe I should, I don't know, but I haven't done any anti-wrinkle products yet, so I probably won't, to be quite honest. I may add this in a giveaway as well. I do love the Juice Beauty line, so yeah. Another product I just don't use. What else we got? Some samples. Now this one was better because my last box had like 1,000,002 samples in it. This one didn't. I just dropped the box. This one doesn't have as many samples as last time, so that's good. I do have 2 samples here. The Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. So this is for your hair. And then I have this Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub. So there's that. So those are the only 2 samples that came in the box. And then the last thing I got was this YTP Superfood, oh, Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. Oh, this is a sample too, so I got 3 samples. So it just looks like this. So let's do an overall assessment. That wasn't a bad box. That was so much better than the last box. I'll probably use nothing, maybe 1 or 2 things out of the last box. That box was just so much better. Like, I mean, I got this cleanser. I got this brow kit if I needed brow products right now. This blush from the Gigi Gorgeous line. This concealer makeup brush. This Trestique contour stick. So that's not bad. The nail polish. I'm okay with this box. I'm still not as blown away as I was with Boxycharm. Like, I'm pretty blown away by the Boxy Luxes, and I'd probably be blown away by the Boxy Premiums. So, I mean, I still feel like Boxycharm won, but I think these were some pretty good products. I was trying to look on here to see if they have pricing, but they don't have the prices of these products in the booklet. No, they don't. They do not have the prices of these products. So I don't know how much these products cost and how much this box was actually worth. But this cleanser by itself, I know for a fact, I believe it's 20 something or $30. So I spent $50 on the box. There's that. I mean, this contour stick is probably at least $18 to $20. So you definitely got your money's worth for the box. But is it stuff that I want? Not all of it. So that is it, you guys. That is my November Boxy and Ipsy unboxing. If you guys like these videos, please give them a thumbs up and let me know down below that you would like me to continue doing them, even if it's just the Boxycharm or whatever it is. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, you guys.